Kindness is a mark of faith, and whoever has not kindness has not faith. Four things support the world: the learning of the wise, the justice of the great, the prayer of the good, and the valor of the brave. Be kind, for whenever kindness becomes part of something, it beautifies it. Whenever it is taken from something, it leaves it tarnished. The best among you is the one who doesn't harm others with his tongue and hands. A good man treats women with honor. God does not look at your forms and possessions, but He looks at your hearts and your deeds. The greatest jihad, struggle or striving, is to battle your own soul, to fight the evil within yourself. The strongest among you is the one who controls his anger. To overcome evil with good is good. To resist evil by evil is evil. When you see a person who has been given more than you in money and beauty, look to those who have been given less. The greatest richness is the richness of the soul. Exchange gifts. You will love one another. No two things have been combined better than knowledge and patience. The best houses is the house where and often gets love and kindness. A kind word is a form of charity.